Our new CTKAU15 doubled-in kit allows for the installation of an aftermarket head unit into the Audi R8's original dashboard. Begin by using a set of release keys to disengage the radio. Once free, pull this out of the dashboard and disconnect all of the wiring. Remove the free screws located at the bottom of the trim panel. Once done, pull the trim panel away from the dashboard and use a panel removal tool to pry away the top clips. Before fully removing the panel, remember to disconnect the air vent LED connector. Attach the brackets that come with the kit to the relevant sides of the head unit. Use the fascia and test in the dashboard to gauge the required depth. Using the instructions that come within the kit, wire up all of the relevant connections to the new head unit and finally connect the power connector before stowing the unit into the dashboard. Once the head unit is seated correctly, bring back the original trim panel and clip it back into place. Take the new metal bracket that comes with the kit and screw it into place using the screws provided. Finally, mount the new fascia onto the dashboard using the strong magnets on the reverse. With the CTKAU15 installed, you're able to use the original steering wheel controls to interact with your new aftermarket head unit. For more details, please visit our website.